Hello my lovely people, hope you're all doing good. Thanks for tuning into our channel Sanchari Seeker, and I am Sanchari. It's great to be back with another video, and today we are actually traveling to Meghamalai, small hill station which is actually in Theni district of Tamil Nadu. So I'm all set, the bike is all prepped and ready. So here's the bike, it's all ready to take on the road. After quite some time we are actually riding. So I have the top box, actually going for a 3 days of ride. It's just not going to be Meghamalai. I have other things also planned, so stick around till the end, it is going to be interesting. Alright people, thanks for tuning into our channel. If you're watching it for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the channel. Encourage us to grow more. It really means a lot. So today, 18th of April, on a Good Friday, I am off to Meghamalai. The route that I'll be taking today would be from Bangalore to Hosur, Krishnagiri, Salem, Namakkal, Karur, and reach Dindikal. That's where we actually get our Kodai road. That is our Kodaikanal road. And we will be reaching Theni. So I'm actually staying in Theni today. I'm not riding to Meghamalai directly because I didn't find a good property for these dates that I'm traveling. So I've actually booked a stay in Theni. I'll be staying there, so we'll be going there, checking in, and then from there in the afternoon I'll be riding to Meghamalai. So that's actually the plan. And also forgot to mention that today it's going to be a solo ride, so I don't have anyone for company apart from you guys. So it's going to be all the way just me traveling for the next 3 to 4 days. Well, this plan was something that I didn't have in mind up until maybe yesterday morning. So finally decided that yes, we will be going, because it's been almost a month since I actually ridden. I think it was the Kannur series that we did. Apart from that, I didn't travel anywhere. So I've been quite busy for the last one and a half month. So finally got an opportunity. Okay, we have a holiday for 3 days, so let's make use of it. So off we go. Okay, and also my fellow bikers, and they're off, trying some new adventures, trying new places. So I have a new KTM which is actually right ahead of me there, followed by the Triumph Scrambler and an Expulse. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see in GoPro. There you go. You see that? I think that's the standard variant. Nice to see. I want my morning coffee, but I just want to escape this traffic here. An absolute chaos, my friends, an absolute chaos. Just right after Hosur, you see, I'm actually at the backside of the Chandrachodeshwara temple, which is in Hosur. I just made it after Hosur bus stop and just went near the Fortune Hotel, which is actually there in the Hosur stretch. And there's a huge traffic jam that is there. So I had to take a U-turn. Came in the service road and joined the Hosur ring road now, where I'm actually taking the new NH that is getting completed, the one that we were just talking about. So the Chandapura Dharmpuri road that I was talking about, so I just took that road now. I had to. So it was not by interest, it was by force. So alright friends, we just made it to Tupur. So it is said to be that this is one of the most dangerous roads in Tamil Nadu. There's a lot of accidents that happens on this stretch. So what is so special about Meghamalai? Yeah, so Meghamalai is actually a small hill station that is situated in Theni district near Kumli. So it's actually located at the height of 1,500 meters above the sea level. Makes it a very unique place because it's kind of an offbeat place where not much of a tourism is being I mean, there's not much of tourism that happens in Meghamalai, apart from there are some private estates and the dam, the highways dam that is there actually, which is the most scenic and picturesque view that you get when you actually go there. So they're mainly based out of tea plantation and cardamom and even coffee as well. So it's a very silent place, which actually I like. So that's the reason why I decided that okay, I'm actually going there. Only sad part is that I was not able to find an accommodation since it was not planned properly. So there is a time limit wherein they allow you to explore Meghamalai. So it's morning 6 o'clock till evening 5, I think, that they allow. So there's a checkpoint where they actually take the details of your vehicle and also the phone number. So in case if you're not staying up there, then yes, the 5 o'clock is actually the time where you're supposed to exit Meghamalai. And also it's been declared as a tiger reserve. I think in 2001 the Tamil Nadu government has declared Meghamalai as a tiger reserve. Finally reached Salem toll. We got some amazing restaurants in Salem where you can actually, if you are a food lover, if you are actually a non-veg lover, then you have a lot of options in Salem, which you can actually try. Right from breakfast, there are restaurants which serve some amazing non-veg cuisines. So yeah, I think we will follow up on this piece wherein I will be going and vlogging some of those restaurants in the near future. I have plans of coming and doing food vlogs here in Salem, so fingers crossed. I hope all those things happen. Alright, so another deviation that you see here is actually the road which actually goes to Coimbatore, Kerala. So this is the deviation. So you take left on the flyover, you actually go to Coimbatore, Palakkad, Thrissur, so on and so forth. So the straight road actually takes you to Chennai. So you have another diversion that you get in about another kilometer, wherein you continue going straight, you'll actually be going to Chennai. You take right, and that'll take you to Kanyakumari. So that's the diversion that we'll be taking. We'll be taking the right and we'll be heading towards Dindigul. Okay friends, we have just made it to Dindigul. So the road that you see there, that's actually going to the Dindigul town, and the road we are actually going leads to Madurai. But in about 2.5 kilometers we will be getting a deviation to take the Kodai road, the Kodaikanal road, and after that we have about 70 kilometers left. Time now is 11:25, so should be there in about 1 hour. 76 kilometers and 1 hour, maybe. Yes, we will be there in 1 hour. But the problem is going in that road. Actually, that road is actually a single lane state highway, having traffic on both sides, the vehicles coming on both sides. This is one of the most horrendous flyovers that I've ever seen. I don't know with what intention these engineers have actually planned this flyover. The right turn is so sharp that if you're carrying too much speed, you will end up going right straight and hit the barriers there. Okay, so that's done. We're taking right in just a bit.
அவனை சொல்லி நிறுத்துங்களேன்டா. அவன் நிறுத்துற அந்த லூசுக்கு மட்டும் வந்துட்டே இருக்கான் பண்றா. வர நிறுத்துற அவனை. பைத்தியக்காரப்ப. எதுக்குடா வரீங்க இங்கலாம்?
You see, that's the Kodai road. Kodaikanal right, Dindigul left, and Madurai we will be going straight. So we are actually taking right. Old road start. This year, if given a chance, I would like to explore Gavi, Wagaman. So those are the locations or places which are actually in the bucket list, which are still pending from quite some time. I would say that Gavi and Gavi has to be explored during rainy season, so that's during monsoon. That beauty during monsoon is something on a whole new level. Where level. I'm at the party. Oh, come on, I don't want that to run in my head now. Okay, so another 69 kilometers from here, and the ride gets interesting from here onwards. As you see, it's a single lane road, traffic on both sides. This is the first time I'm coming all alone. Sometimes it's nice actually to come all alone. It's like you try to explore yourself. You try to explore yourself first. And you have any doubt about yourself that you are an introvert, I would recommend you just do some trips on, all by your own. And you don't have to be riding the bike. You can even do a backpacking. Just take a bus, take a train, just go to a nice place, go to mountains, meet new people, talk to them, understand their way of life, the culture. And I'm 100% sure that they're definitely welcoming. The way they treat you, the way they, accept you and talk to you. It's a beautiful feeling. So, all my viewers who are actually watching, who have always thought that, okay, you wanted to go, but you don't have company, you don't have anyone who's, ready to come along with you, I would say just pack your bags and leave. Just go. You'll make new friends. You'll meet new people. You'll make new friends. You'll know how beautiful this world is. Trust me, this process definitely works. And actually my friends often ask me like which is the best route to take to Munnar, because most of you all know that there is two routes that you can actually use to reach Munnar. One is through this road, which is Dindakal and then Munnar. The other route will be actually from E-Road. You can take the Pollachi Udumalai road and then climb the Anamalai Tiger Reserve. So for ease of driving, if you're coming with your family, I would recommend this road, because for the most part of it, from Bangalore, it is entirely a national highway, and only about 100 kilometers will be of this road and the guard section inclusive. If you're taking that road, only till E-Road you'll actually have national highway. From E-Road to Pollachi Udumalai to that stretch is it's actually going to be a state highway. But the roads are brilliant, it's really good. And then the Anamalai Tiger Reserve is actually very narrow. The roads are very narrow. So I can actually put it this way, that if you really want to explore that stretch of a road, try that during the monsoon or just post monsoon, because that road is actually going to be very interesting if you're driving or riding post monsoon or during monsoon. And this stretch, throughout the year, any day you can use this road. This will actually take you directly to Munnar Gap Road, so you can explore the beauty of the Gap Road. Those amazing S roads, the S bends, and then the lush tea gardens that we will be able to, the tea estates and the gardens that we'll be able to see, just like a carpet being rolled over on the mountain. You'll be able to witness some amazing tea plantations. Leather, you know. Here's it, people. So this is the room that I've booked for a one-night stay in Theni. This is the Hotel Western Ghats. Really nice, huge bed, and also have a working desk. So good. So we have a small closet over here, and this room is here. It's neat. In the shower area here. The last 10 kilometers was like crazy, super hot. Got stuck in traffic as well, so just let me remove this riding gears, take a quick shower, and then I'll catch you up while I'm actually going to Meghamalai.